What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Redmi K20 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU. They both have a heavily skinned version of Android. How will the K20 Pro do against Samsung's budget flagship phone? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Redmi K20 Pro. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy S10e. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the K20 Pro wins by 5 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the K20 Pro wins by 7 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Redmi K20 Pro won by 5 points. In round 2, the Redmi K20 Pro won again, and this time it was by 7 points. No doubt the 2GB of extra RAM on the Redmi K20 Pro made the difference here. As for the price difference, it is roughly the same depending on where you buy it from. You can get the Samsung Galaxy S10e cheaper on websites such as Wonder Mobile and eGlobal Central. The Galaxy S10e is the best compact flagship phone you can buy today, and between these two phones, the Galaxy S10e is smaller, but it has a better camera and also USB 3.1. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do you own or plan to buy any of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as there are more videos coming up including camera comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.